Anushka. I'm back with another nail art design, and today I'm going to show you how to do this spiral nail art design using double color. And the people who are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. For today's nail art design, I'm going to use pink paint, white paint, remover, this brush for cleaning extras, and toothpick for doing design. One thing you have to remember, after putting paint on your nails, start doing the design instantly, otherwise design won't come properly. And if you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press notification bell icon.